Let's go out to the yard. All right, we're here to do a quick training session. This is also testing our new iPhone and its microphone. We've got a lot of background noise, a lot of outside noise. Hope is that does a great job at canceling that.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna be honest here. This is me trying to get his attention, but failing. But you don't know that I failed because I don't even call him. Keep that in mind.
All right, so what I'm gonna train him, just the things that we've been going over, which is his name, his recall, his sits for a duration of time. I'm gonna do a little bit of his downs. His downs aren't that great yet. Yeah, and that's about it. Keep in mind everything's outside, so it adds a whole nother level. Hey, Sawyer.
So the number one thing I want y'all to pay attention to in this video is how little I actually use my voice. I barely talk, but I get him to do everything I want him to do. This is very important, especially when you're training a stubborn dog.
And he has never been on his place before, so we're also training him how to get on the place. Yes. Oh, almost had it. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good sit. That's a good boy. Okay, good boy. That's a sweet boy. That's a sweet boy. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Good sit.
Go, Charlie.
Yes.
I had to run that back because I don't know if you caught what I caught.
Yes.
I correct my dog without using my voice, without using or nose. If your dog is stubborn, you have to find a way to correct your dog without using those corrective terms too many times.
Good. Yes. Good. Man. Good sit. Good boy. Good sit. Good boy. Good sit. Okay, good boy. Yes. Good boy. So good. Are you on here? All right, we're not gonna try it. Sit. Yes. Good. Yes. Good sit. Ah.
All right, so at this point, the dog,
Yes.
he knows exactly what I'm trying to ask of him because we've done it multiple times. This is when it's fair to start being a little more strict. And even though I get strict, I still don't use my voice to correct him. I use the leash.
Good.
If you have a stubborn dog, especially a stubborn puppy, make sure they have a leash on at all times when you are training so you can make sure you can correct them.
Good sit. Good. 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 Good sit. Good boy. Ah. Yes. Good sit. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good sit. Sawyer. Yes. Okay. Good boy. Get that dog. Get that.
This is when the video starts to get really helpful for those of y'all with stubborn puppies. If your puppy starts to lose interest in training sessions and then starts to act like he doesn't know what you are asking him to do, this is the part that you have to pay attention to, right? This is when you are able to give fair corrections using the leash. Like I said, try not to use your voice because your voice is your relationship with your dog.
Sit.
Using the leash to correct your dog is going to keep your relationship intact.
Good sit. All right, so as you're gonna see, he's getting less interested in the session, which means it's coming to an end. Good boy. Good. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good boy.
So here you can start to see the avoidance when I try to lure him into a sit. He knows exactly what I'm trying to do. He's deciding to turn his head away and not do it. So this is a time where you have to win the battle. It doesn't have to be a mean, unfair battle. You just have to win. You have to outlast your puppy.
So as y'all know, if y'all can tell, as he gets less interested in the session, I don't use very many words. I said sit once. I'm not gonna say it multiple times so that he realizes that I don't have to do it if he says it. If I say it once, it means do it. That's what we're teaching him.
All right, so here you're gonna see my first real correction to the puppy, and it's called the butt flip. He keeps trying to avoid looking at me into my eyes, so I'm gonna flip his butt around and make sure that he's looking straight at me.
Sit. Yes, good boy. Good sit. Good boy. Good sit. Good. Good boy. Oh, I tried to get to the end of the leash. We can do it though. I know we can.
And ending on a great note is the most important thing that I want to leave y'all with. If you have a stubborn puppy and you are having a session that he's struggling in, end on a good note, and that will make up for everything.
Good sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right. And we'll end it right there. That was a great training session. Just something real easy, simple. I promise you, if you do this every day, that's probably 5 minutes. You do this every day with your puppy, eventually your puppy will listen to you and be able to do everything you want to do. First time, no issues. Let's end it with the name game. I'm gonna stand behind him. I'm gonna say his name. He's gonna turn around and get a treat. Sawyer. Yes. Good boy, Stinko. Good boy.
If y'all enjoyed this video and this video helped y'all out, please drop a like, a comment, and subscribe, and we will be back next week with another video.